How can I calculate my return on investment in a commercial application with NaturalSof? Glad you asked. We've made up a really simple to use ROI, return on investment, and NPV, net present value, Excel file for you to just plug in some information and you can generate just that data, what your return on investment will be and your net present value. Just to walk through a quick example, this is a hotel example, and you really want to just fill in the highlighted yellow cells. All you need to do is understand what your hard water issue is currently costing you. Are you using salt softeners, and how much is that investment? Chemical usage, man hours, and employee time to clean up and do preventive maintenance type of thing. And then you put that information in here. You type in annually what that cost is, and then up top here you're also going to put in what the percentage of full year you expect to realize savings based on the timing of the installation. Then as I scroll down here, only piece of information you need to know is what the cost is going to be to install the NaturalSof units and implement the application. And then there's also a link down here for, depending on your institution, what type of cost of capital money you borrow at essentially is a rate. If you know that rate, plug it in. If not, visit the website and plug in the percentage. And the sheet does the rest of the work for you. It tells you exactly what the NPV is, net present value, return on investment time in years, what it's going to take to get your money back, and then it extrapolates out 10 years. Why 10 years, you ask? Because the NaturalSof units last somewhere between 10 and even up to 20 years before they need to be replaced, the average being just around 10 to 15. So that's a hotel example. Same thing here for a car wash example. This one's actually quite real, where we were able to help reduce the cost greatly at car washes and improve the overall water treatment there. You can see the payback was really rapid. And same thing, just plug in the benefit drivers, like what is it currently costing you to deal with hard water, plug in the installation application, and you will get the ROI and NPV calculated for you. We're here to help at NaturalSof, so let us know if you have any questions. Below this video and somewhere on the page you're going to find a link to get this file and just download it from our virtual toolbox, and I hope you find it helpful.